Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the GE Oven F4 error code from 2025, don't panic. We're here to break it down step by step. This error is one of the most common issues in GE ovens, and it's usually related to the oven's temperature sensor or a runaway temperature problem. Let's dive in. First off, what does the F4 code mean? In GE ovens, the F4 error typically signals that the oven sensor is malfunctioning. This could happen if the sensor is faulty, there's a wiring issue, or even if the control board isn't communicating properly. It's often triggered when the oven detects temperatures that are way off from what you've set, which can make your baking sessions a total disaster. Now, let's talk about possible causes. The most common one is a bad oven temperature sensor, which might be worn out from regular use. Other culprits include loose wires, a short circuit, or even dirt and grime buildup affecting the sensor's accuracy. If your oven is a few years old, like from 2025 models, this could also stem from wear and tear. So, how do you troubleshoot this? Start by unplugging your oven from the power source for at least 30 seconds. This simple reset can sometimes clear the error. Once it's reset, plug it back in and see if the code persists. If it does, you'll need to inspect the sensor. Grab a multimeter if you have one, and check for continuity in the sensor wires. If there's no continuity, it's likely time to replace the sensor. Replacing it isn't too complicated for a DI error. You'll find the sensor usually at the back of the oven cavity. Unscrew it, disconnect the wires, and install a new one. Make sure to get the exact model compatible with your 2025 GE oven. But if you're not comfortable with electrical work, call a professional technician to avoid any risks. To prevent this error in the future, keep your oven clean, avoid slamming the door, and have it serviced annually. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance fixes. Stay safe and happy cooking.